Some people say that high quality is no longer affordable, that fine materials and hand craftsmanship are beyond most people's budgets. But the truth tells a different story. Right here, not far from your home, there are people who get up in the morning, go to work every day, and take pride in what they make, who deliver a quality product that's made to last, sold at a price everyone can afford. There's a place where the old values of customer service, teamwork, and mutual respect are alive and well. Since 1954, our family-owned business has built a reputation on excellence and service. We travel the world in search of the finest and widest variety of materials and take pride in bringing our customers the largest selection of classic and modern blinds, shades, and shutters anywhere. We stand by our products and we stand by our people who make them. So whether you shop online, shop in store, or shop at home, every product we sell is customized to your exact specifications and backed up by a lifetime warranty. And that should tell you everything you need to know. Quality, service, dependability. Delivered in 48 hours, direct from our factory. And to those who say you just can't find quality at a fair price anymore, we say, you're just not looking in the right place.